I think even today the drive is on. And see, let me just tell you one thing. I don't know why people create this kind of problem. Meeting was held. That vending committee has only had a detail of meeting, a series of meeting, and a detail also was worked out, and blueprint was also there. Of course, maybe initially those names which was not considered due to the paperwork where they don't have, ultimately they were not considered to be entitled to that COV, the certificate of vendors. So, but as I said to you, this committee keeps sitting every now and then. So therefore, the decision taken by this committee last time, it is only to implement the decision taken by them, which I personally feel, even from government side, we feel that it is high time that we have a dedicated place for the vendors throughout Shillong. Provisional or permanent is it's all the same. It is functional. So, and then they are also part of the committee. It's not that only government officials were there. Even from their side, they were there. They discuss about all the interests of the hawkers. So therefore, I would only request the vendors cooperate. Bring all your issues in this committee. Committee will take care of all the issues. And from the government side also, we don't want to just throw them out. We understand the livelihood of our people, but we, as per the act, since the act is in place, we have to also follow strictly the act and the rules of that act, which is being implemented by the state government. No, it is not that we wanted to victimize the hawkers. In fact, this is done for their own goods. And can you imagine? I think our spokesperson, Mr. Polangdo, yesterday he must have already explained to all of you. You will not find the government who really thinking seriously about the interests of the hawkers. See, like a shifting allowance. We decided to give them 10,000 rupees, and plus, once they shifted to that designated place, again, initially for 5 months, 2,000 per month will be paid to the concerned registered COVs.